Zhejiang GRL Electric Company Limited was founded in 2003. GRL is a professional factory specialized in researching and producing on photovoltaic system products. Fuse link, copper bus bar, surge protector, fuse switch disconnector, vertical fuse switch disconnector, load break switch, high voltage switch, dropout fuse, photovoltaic combiner box, bus bar system, knife switch, automatic transfer switch, and other electrical components and accessories. GRL has a modern plant of 26,580 square meters. There are 20-plus production lines, 70-plus sets of machining equipment, and 20-plus sets of mold-making equipment. At present, GRL has developed more than 4,500 sets of mold. GRL has a strong R&D team. There are 60 R&D engineers in GRL, and GRL has obtained more than 90 product patent certificates and more than 200 product quality certificates, including CCC, CE, TUV, CB, etc. There are more than 30 sets of testing equipment in GRL Testing Center, such as temperature rise tester, comprehensive fuse detector, salt spray tester, flame retardant testing equipment, torque test equipment, mechanical life test equipment, and so on. GRL adheres to the concept of lean production and adopts IT management and strives to achieve the fastest delivery time and the best consistency through professional management methods.